Okay, we'll proceed to workshop number 2. This is our workshop number 2 where we're going to create organizational breakdown structure o yung OBS na tinatawag. Ito yung organization behind those projects. And in your case, yung capstone project, yun yung ating gagawing model. And let's say this is your organization. I'm not sure if you have assistant team leader, but let me just use this diagram. Okay, so you have the team leader, then there is an assistant team leader, and below yung 5 members. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry medyo kamalila ako ng member. It's supposed to be member number 4. Okay, but it's understood. By the way, ito create ito with PowerPoint. Okay, kung may time pa tayo, gusto nyo itanong paano, madali lang siya sa PowerPoint. Okay, but of course now going to do it in Primavera P6. So madali kasi kapag may ganitong presentation. Okay, so this is the draft of your organizational breakdown structure. Hindi natin ito na-discuss noong first meeting, but I mentioned it 100%. Sabi ko sa inyo, later na lang natin i-discuss. Okay? And then, of course, on Friday, malaman nyo kung paano ba ito gamitin. Matutuwa kayo kasi interesting talaga siya. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa ating system. Okay, here in Primavera, we have created this. Okay, so by the way, itong EPS natin, I think you know this. You can expand it, right? You saw it. Okay, and here, regardless of how many EPS nodes we have here, we can create the organizational breakdown structure from enterprise menu or command, then go to OBS. So here, kasi empty yung inyong database, kaya ayan, clear yung area. So dito yung tayo gagawa dito sa dialog box na to. Okay, so here again you have your enterprise, and similar to how we created the EPS, ganun din naman dito. Mag-a-add lang tayo and then mag-move lang tayo ng item. So, ano nga yung nasa taas? At least memorize ko to. Team leader, then assistant team leader, tapos merong 5 members. Okay? So, madali lang siyang tandaan. Okay, so ito, this is supposed to be the name of your yung team leader, pero dahil hindi ko naman alam mga names nyo, so lagyan na lang natin dito. Yan, pwede naman team leader, then put the name. Okay, so next. Okay, here when you click add, it says in order to add an OBS element, the filter will be changed to display all the OBS elements. When you click OK, so magpo-proceed na siya. Kasi ito, kaya sa may dialog box na ganun, doon sa may existing sample projects, lumalabas yung lahat ng ito may nakasulat all OBS elements. Yung para sa yan, all projects. Okay? Kasi yung current, doon lang sa isang project. Anyway, for now, very naman to. I mean, fresh yung yung database, kaya wala tayong kasamang mga projects. Okay, so here, this is the assistant team leader. Okay, then of course under the assistant team leader, yung okay, look, when we added another one, tumapat siya sa assistant, so kailangan yung gumamit ng arrow. Okay, Ilan nga sila? 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, here, dito, lista mo lang yung ano. Okay, assistant team leader. So, this will be member number 1, kung sino ka man. Isa lang kilala ko dito. Yung member number 5. Member 2. Ito. Member 3. Member 4. Okay, take note ha. Names ang ilalagay nyo dyan. And then, yung picture naman dun lang sa PowerPoint dyan. So, this is member number 5. Taylor Swift. Okay, so ayan siya. Okay. So, yan lang. Yung paggamit nito, ano, may mga responsibilities kasi i-assign tayo dyan. Okay, doon sa capstone project ninyo, may mga WBS doon. At yun yung sunod nating exercise workshop. Doon natin i-assign kung sino yung in charge ng mga members. Okay? Siyempre yung team leader, in charge siya sa ano, sa lahat ng tawag dito. Sa lahat ng activities doon sa ano, project. Okay. So far, hindi pa ito naka-assign na. Ano pa lang siya. Draft pa lang siya. Okay, then we will close it. Okay. So, yun yung ano, workshop number 2. At dun nyo lang siya ano, makikita. Okay. So, for example, ito yung ano nyo, ano, dito. Ito yung, yan. Andyan yung project ninyo. So, yung gamit niya, baseline programs under capstone. Okay. So, yun siya. Tingnan nyo to. Yan. Then, yung team leader, so, mapupunta ron. Okay. Ito lahat nakalista sa kanya. Pero tatanggalin natin yung iba. Okay. So, yan lang naman yung gamit, ha. Okay. So, yung exercise 2, ito lang siya. Okay. Ayan.